Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all? I hope that you all are doing fantastic. I am also doing fantastic by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today I have come to a beautiful place, as you can see before, a beautiful building. It is a primary school. This primary school name is Bazukhali Government Primary School. Behind me, a tin shed building. When I was child, I used to study here, and that time this building was built. Before came to this school, this building was built. After that, you can see behind me, this building was built. This is really beautiful, one-story building, and the building ground, playground, student play here, and many memories here. And here also, I heard that many of our teachers already passed away, and whenever few teachers met in front of the road, that time my mind was so beautiful. My mind is satisfied to see our teachers. This is the school playground, and here is a big banana tree, and it is really big. Almost it's maybe 100 years. As you can see, three-story building, recently built by the government fund. This is really beautiful building. Three-story building. Let's look at, so nice, so beautiful. This is really wonderful building. It is built by the government. I remember those days when I was class 3, 4, 5. I never forgot those days. When I was child, I have no tension in my mind. That time, I always play with my friends, with my classmates. I always try to play cricket. Cricket was my favorite game. And nowadays, I am so busy. And many of my friends are so busy. Many of my friends has completed their post-graduation from the renowned university. I remember, and sometimes I met many of my friends take tea in the tea stall. Okay, from the beginning, I think I should make a video in my childhood from my primary school. And first time you can see behind me, that was built, and after that, and after this three-story building. Government is doing great nowadays. Many government structures are building here and there. That's why I'm thank the government for my core of my heart. Don't forget to follow me. See the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.